Welcome to your sacred space of healing and restoration. If you're feeling physically, emotionally, or mentally drained, you are in the right place. This is a powerful affirmation session designed to guide you toward the balance, peace, and vitality you deserve. Take a deep breath, find a comfortable space, and trust that healing is already taking place. These affirmations will help you reconnect with your inner strength and activate the healing energy that flows through you. As you listen, allow yourself to release all tension and embrace the powerful restoration process that awaits. I am open to the healing process and trust in my body's ability to restore itself. Every day, I am becoming healthier, stronger, and more balanced. I release all negative energy and welcome peace and healing. My body is in perfect harmony, and I trust it to heal naturally. I am worthy of healing, love, and restoration. I trust the healing process and know that my body is always working in my favor. I forgive myself and release all past pain, knowing that it no longer serves me. I am deserving of vibrant health and well-being. I trust that my body knows how to heal and restore itself. Every cell in my body is filled with light and healing energy. I welcome this healing energy to flow freely through me. My body is capable of miracles, and I believe in its power to restore. Healing is taking place within me every day. My body knows how to heal, and I trust its wisdom. I release all emotional pain and allow peace to fill my heart. I am free from past hurts, and I embrace the present with love and compassion. My mind is clear, and my spirit is calm, allowing healing to occur effortlessly. I nurture myself with kindness, patience, and understanding. I trust that emotional healing happens naturally and at the perfect pace for me. I am worthy of emotional healing and peace. Each day, I become more emotionally balanced and resilient. I release all emotional burdens and embrace healing with an open heart. I am grateful for the strength of my body and its ability to heal. Every part of my body is restored to its highest potential. I trust in the healing process, knowing that I am constantly improving. My body knows exactly what it needs to heal, and I support it every step of the way. I feel my energy growing, my body rejuvenating, and my spirit lifting. Every day, I grow stronger and healthier. I embrace the healing energy that surrounds me and feel it restoring me. My body is becoming more powerful and more vibrant with every breath. I am in alignment with my highest health, and I am worthy of full restoration. I am balanced, calm, and centered, which allows healing to flow through me. I trust that each day brings me closer to complete healing. I embrace all aspects of my healing journey with gratitude and grace. My body is a vessel of healing, and I trust in its infinite wisdom. I am healing, I am whole, and I am restored. Every healing journey I go through brings me closer to my true self. I trust my body to restore itself to perfect health and vitality. Every challenge I face is an opportunity for healing and growth. I rise above difficulties, knowing that I am becoming stronger with each experience. I embrace every healing challenge as a step toward my wholeness. I trust the journey and know that healing is happening within me, even when it's not visible. I am resilient and capable of overcoming any obstacles that come my way. My healing process is unfolding perfectly, and I honor each step of the way. I welcome every change that brings me closer to complete restoration. I trust that healing will come in its own time, and I trust myself through the process. I am surrounded by healing energy at all times. This healing energy is nurturing every cell, every tissue, and every organ in my body. I activate the healing power within me and trust it to restore my mind, body, and spirit. My body is a powerful vessel of health, and I am grateful for its strength. I am connected to the unlimited healing energy of the universe. I feel the healing energy flowing through me, bringing comfort and peace. Each breath I take is filled with healing light and vitality. I am filled with energy, strength, and the power to heal. I trust in divine timing and know that my healing is unfolding exactly as it should. I welcome divine healing into my life, knowing it's already working within me. I am in perfect alignment with my healing, and I trust my body to restore itself. Every moment is an opportunity for healing and peace. I trust in the wisdom of my body and the divine energy that supports it. I am at peace with my healing process and trust that everything is happening for my highest good. I allow myself to fully receive the healing energy that is available to me. My body is restored, and I am grateful for the peace that accompanies my healing. I am filled with vibrant energy that restores and revitalizes me. I embrace the flow of life that gives me strength and renewal. My energy is limitless, and I am capable of achieving everything I set my mind to. Every day, I feel more energized, awake, and alive. I honor my body by listening to its needs and nourishing it with love and care. I am grounded, centered, and full of vitality. My spirit is rejuvenated, and I radiate positive energy. I am grateful for the abundant energy I have to take on the world. Thank you for taking this time to focus on your healing and restoration. Remember, your body has infinite wisdom, and healing is always possible. Trust the process and know that every day brings you closer to complete health and vitality. You are worthy of feeling whole, healthy, and at peace. Your healing is already underway, and you are becoming stronger every day. Thank you for taking this time to focus on your healing and restoration. Remember, your body has infinite wisdom, and healing is always possible. Trust the process and know that every day brings you closer to complete health and vitality. You are worthy of feeling whole, healthy, and at peace. Your healing is already underway, and you are becoming stronger every day.